Hi, in this video I'll show you how to view gift shop statistics in AcademyOcean. To open the gift shop statistics, go to the Statistics and Reports and open the gift shop section. At the top page, you will find the overview of your gift shop's performance. Here you can see the total number of points learners have spent on rewards, the total number of orders placed, the most popular gift, and the most active learner, the one who has placed the highest number of orders. These metrics provide a quick overview of learner engagement and reward popularity. Below, you'll find a table containing all gifts available in your gift shop. For each gift, you can see the number of orders, its point cost, the date it was created, and if you have many gifts, use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. And you can also export the list in both formats for further analysis or reporting. By clicking the three-dot menu next to a gift, you can quickly navigate to its content, settings, or order list. This allows you to edit the gift or review its orders without leaving the statistics section. To view detailed statistics for a specific gift, simply click its name. At the top page, you'll see key metrics for that particular gift, including the total number of orders and how many of them are currently in pending, in progress, and completed statuses. Below, you'll find a table containing all orders for this gift. For each order, you can see its order number, status, learner name, quantity, total points, comment, and the date the order was placed. To view more details, click View. Here you can review the order information, learner details, and delivery information. Update the order status. Open the Logs tab where you can see the complete history of all changes and actions performed for the order. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.